Here's a latest, step-by-step guide to using NordVPN on a smart TV in the Middle East, example Saudi Arabia, UAE, including built-in VPNs, smart DNS, routers, and workarounds so you can stream global content confidently. Overview, what's possible on smart TVs? Most smart TVs don't natively support full VPN apps except those running Android TV or Amazon Fire OS. For other models, Samsung, LG, Roku, etc., you'll need alternative methods like Smart DNS, Router VPN, or sharing a VPN connection. Method 1. Direct NordVPN app on Android TV/Fire TV. This is the easiest way if your TV supports it. 1. Open your TV's App Store, Google Play on Android TV, or Amazon App Store, on Fire TV devices. 2. Search for NordVPN. 3. Install the app and log in with your Nord account. 4. Connect to a server for the country whose content you want to access. Works on Android TV brands like Sony, Hisense, TCL, and Android TV boxes, Amazon Fire TV/Stick included. Method 2. Smart DNS, NordVPN Smart Play. If your smart TV doesn't support a VPN app, example many Samsung, LG, Roku, Smart DNS lets you unblock streaming services without encryption. 1. On another device, log into your Nord account and activate Smart DNS in the dashboard, under Services. 2. On your smart TV, go to Settings, rightward arrow, Network, rightward arrow, DNS. 3. Switch DNS to manual, then enter primary DNS *103.86.96.103, secondary DNS *103.86.99.103, if offered. 4. Save and restart your TV. Smart DNS helps with region-locked streaming, Netflix, Disney+, etc., without a VPN app. Note, it doesn't encrypt your traffic so your ISP or network can still see what you watch, but geo-blocking is bypassed. Method 3. VPN on your router, all devices covered. If you want all smart TV traffic under the VPN, best for privacy plus streaming. 1. Set up NordVPN on your home router, where supported. 2. Connect your smart TV to that Wi-Fi. 3. Now all devices get encrypted VPN access without installing apps on each. This works on any smart TV brand, Samsung, LG, Roku, because the VPN is at the network level. Some routers don't. Support VPN. For those, you can use a secondary router that does. Method 4. Share a VPN connection. If router setup isn't possible, A. From a Windows PC, laptop or notebook, connect the PC to NordVPN. Create a Wi-Fi hotspot or Ethernet share. Connect your smart TV to the shared VPN network. To that shared VPN network. This effectively extends the VPN to your TV without router config. B. Cast or mirror from another device. Use a phone/tablet/PC with NordVPN active and the streaming app running. Cast or mirror, aka big screen viewing, to your TV screen. Note: some smart TV apps don't mirror geo-locked content properly, so results may vary. Troubleshooting tips: app won't unblock content? Try a different server in the same region. Streaming services often block shared IPs. Clear the TV app's cache or force close the app and retry. Speeds and stability: if streaming buffers, choose a server closer to your region, example Europe for European Netflix libraries. For higher video quality, prefer NordLink/WireGuard when using Android TV or router setups, NordVPN default on many apps. Smart DNS not working. Make sure your original IP is allow listed in the NordVPN account when activating Smart DNS. It can take 10 minutes after activation to become active. Extra considerations for Middle East users: some ISPs in the UAE/Saudi region may block VPN access or behave inconsistently with VPN apps. Router and Smart DNS methods sometimes work more reliably in those cases. Always ensure your NordVPN subscription is active and you're connected to a server close to the streaming contents region for best performance.